Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Niro, which is a hybrid machine. Comes with a motor and batteries. Some of the features, got roof rails, alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirrors, and of course that hybrid system. Car's done up in a beautiful black color. Going across the front. This is one of our demo units. Take a look down the driver's side. Inside we have power windows, locks and mirrors, rear cross traffic, traction control, dash lights and reset for the battery. This hybrid only has 9,379 kilometers on it. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls and other functions for the car. Sirius XM radio, which will be a 3-month free trial included with the car. Climate control and push button start. That's a dual climate control. Down below, auxiliary and USB ports and 12-volt charging ports. Of course, automatic transmission. Rear parking sensor control. A little further back, heated cloth seats and heated steering wheel. Looking up, we have a sunroof. As I say, cloth seats, driver's seat is powered. In the back, plenty of room for passengers back here. Very comfortable car to ride in. Those rear seats are 60-40 split. And further back yet in the cargo area, plenty of room to carry groceries, sports gear, kids stuff, outdoor gear, anything you need to carry for your family. If you lay those seats down, you have even more room back here for carrying stuff. Shot of that Eco Hybrid badge. This 2018 Kia Niro is available from West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday. 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays, so come down and see us. Take this little Niro out for a drive. See how well it fits into your family and see how well your family fits into the Niro. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.